short here up at 36. We are short from 36 here all the way down to 210 and a quarter here. Took one off and then moved to break even. After that, we've been dumping ever since. Yeah, so we took 3 lots short at 36. Took one off at break even. Took one off at about 3.5 points in the money. Moved the other 2 lots to break even. Now we're trailing our stop here to 2 times the average true range here into this short here. I'm just live streaming this so I have documentation of when trend following works. It truly works. Truly works. I mean, normally I would have gotten long up here, but you can see the short-term moving average is well below the long-term moving average. So I was like, good chance that long signal is going to fail. So we took our position short, trailing our stop down a couple ticks here. Took our position short on the bet that this long signal is going to fail. This entry right here, I accidentally misclicked my phone. I was watching the markets on my phone. Misclicked, entered in short accidentally, and exited right away. But anyways, we went short on the basis that this long signal was going to fail. So we ended short at 36 about 1 point after that breakout, and happened to be the top. In the money about 26 points right now. Currently locked in about 20 points here on MES. 2 lots here. Nothing crazy. If we were full ES lots, this would be pretty unreal, but we're just trading the MES right now. And yeah, we're going to see how this plays out. We have about 5 more minutes to market close. I'll keep streaming until then. This is really just to document one of the big winners that we get with trend following. Live streaming all the time. I was gonna say I want to live stream more, but I like just trading off screen, keeping my wits to myself. But once we get a big winner like this, it's hard not to want to share it, right? Yeah. So right now we're just waiting about 4 more minutes here. 4 more minutes here. I think this could push lower here at the end of day here. This could push lower. We're right next to the lows of day. Push the lows of day down by like a tick, it looks like. Down to 875 there. Stops at 16 and a quarter. It's about 7 points there. 7 point stop, something like that. So 750, I want to say. 7.5 points. Pretty ridiculous. Average true range is expanding here. You can see the shorter term is definitely way above the longer term. Pushed it down another tick there. New lows of day by another tick. Stops are at, so if we close this trade at our stop loss, it'll be at 200 profit just trading MES. So if we were trading full ES lots, that would be 2K, a 2K winner here. But we are just trading MES, like I said. 208, 25. Volatility truly expanding here over the average here. Let's see how much this goes down. It could pump up. It could pump up. This could be the end of the move. I mean, we did move down almost 30 points here. Really close to 30 points. move down, so it'd be natural for a pullback here unless this is just going to keep dumping. But let's see on the books here, we're getting a lot of dump orders, over 10 lots here. But who knows, buyers could start stepping in at any point. Just got to be ready. Okay, looks like we're going to dump down another point there. Gonna move our stops down to 16 here. Now we're locking in $200 profit, worst case scenario. Day here, gonna close this trade out in about 2 minutes here. Let's see what happens. Day dump. Getting this massive dump end of day. I did not see any opportunities this morning. From 9:30, just waiting patiently. 9:30, getting a short signal here, but this wasn't really a newer low. It was still in the rising kind of like up channel. The signal just crossed over, so I was like, I'll skip that signal for now. Then we got a couple long signals there based off price channel breakout, but the longer term the trend is down, so we did not take those signals. We ended up taking the reversal of that long signal down there, this one, and this is the trade we're in now. Just recapping once again. Looks like a lot of buying pressure is coming in here. You could see a lot of green printing in, so we could have hit our stop loss here, which is fine. I'm totally okay with that. Stop loss is exactly 8 points away at the moment. Still getting a lot of red printing orders here, but it's not really pushing the price to newer lows at the moment. And some buyers are stepping in here. You could see some people hitting the ask here. We have really thin books on the ask here. Thin books on the ask, less than 100 contracts for about 4 or 5 ticks in a row. But despite the thin books, we're still printing a lot of red here. It's not exactly pushing the price down, but we are printing a lot of red, so that means possibly that buyers are buying up all the sellers, buying up all the market orders to sell. They're starting to accumulate their position now. Look like we could get, let's exit this trade here actually. Exit and cancel. Market's closed. Let's exit there, locking in those profits. Locking in those profits. Market's closed here. We're just gonna lock those in. Not gonna hold that much longer. Pretty decent trade. I'm gonna stop the stream there. Just a little bit of an impromptu stream. We were in a big winner, so I wanted to live stream it and share that when trend following works, it truly works here. Locking in about, I don't even know how many points that is. That's 36 down to 11, so that's about 24 points, something like that. 24 points plus this small one here. 24 times 2 lots, about 40, between 40 to 50 points there net on MES here. Probably 50 after you add in this 3-point winner here. So looking pretty good. Might even push lower here, but that's okay. I'm glad we got out there since the market was closed. Gonna end the stream there. Thank you for watching this quick recap.